Okay, thanks everyone for joining the today's class. Coming to the today's class, let me try to discuss about Apex programming. So first of all, let me try to start the theoretical part of the Apex program. After that, I'm going to be start about the practical things. I'm sharing my screen. So what is Apex programming? Okay, it's a cloud-based object-oriented programming language which does not require any installations. It's a cloud-based, which does not require any installations. Yeah. Yeah, which does not require any installations. Mainly here it have a business logic. Here it have business logic as like other programming language, which included in okay in classes and objects, which include in the form of class and objects. Okay, here we can derive the complex business logics, complex validations. Okay, and also it is not a case sensitive programming language. Okay, we can write the code by using any character case. Yeah, here we can perform. Okay, here we can perform some DML operations. Here we can perform. Okay, here we can perform the DML operations like insert, update, delete, etc. And also by using Apex programming language, and also by using Apex programming language, we can handle the millions of records. We can handle the millions of records with the help of batch programming, as I mentioned yesterday. I think if my voice is clear or any noise, if any noise means I'll wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah, background
Yeah,
noise.
Venkat, some
Okay, I'll wait
background.
for 2 minutes. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, the noise will. Okay, I think now it's better. Okay, by using Apex programming. Okay, by using Apex programming, we can integrate with external system using REST API. We can integrate with external systems using REST API. Okay, just I'm discussing some basic information. Okay, let's start with the first concept is nothing but data types concepts. Okay, there are two types of data types. Okay, two types of data types in Apex. Okay, one is a primitive data types and also non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types. Okay, these are the two types of data types. Prudvi, hi Prudvi.
Hi, Venkat garu.
So Prudvi, still which topic you practiced?
Uh, uh, Up to object use and fields and field edits and everything.
Okay,
For this
positions candidate you completed.
positions. Yeah. I
Oh,
done for the positions and everything as well.
okay, fine,
So
Prudvi. Just
I right now I'm doing the assignment task.
okay, do candidate only. It's fine. Position candidate hiring manager. It's absolutely fine. No, don't need other objects. Okay.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yesterday we started with the development, Prudvi. This is the Salesforce org. Okay. Just I
Yeah.
did not discuss anything. Just I started with the syllabus. Okay. This is the developer console. Are you able to see the developer console? Whenever we
Yes.
are writing the Salesforce codes, we are writing in the developer console only.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the
For,
developer console. To create your first Apex programming, click on File, click on New, click on Apex class.
okay. For that, do we need to install any plugins for that,
No
or
need to
it is
install any no need to install any plugins. Okay, it's by default provided by the Salesforce. Okay.
okay? Yeah.
Okay, like inside the class, we need to create a method. Public static void. Just we can create a multiple methods. Okay, method name it's your wish. Like in other programming language, we'll use system.out.println in Java. Okay, in C++, C or Cn. Like this. Here we'll use system.debug to print the data. System.debug of hello world.
I mean that's syntax.
Yeah, this is the syntax. Yeah, system.debug to
Okay.
print the data. Just I'm say for saving the data, you need to use Control plus S in the keyboard. Okay, just I'm executing it. If you want to execute it, class name dot method one method name dot. Okay, just if you clicked on open log, immediately whatever the things which are presented in the debug statements, it will be presented inside the logs. Yeah. Yes. Are you able to see hello world?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Just I discussed about primitive data types now. There are two types of data types. Primitive data types are non-primitive data types. Non-primitive are data types are nothing but S object. Anyone remember the standard objects and custom objects which I discussed in my admin concepts?
Yeah, yes, Venka.
Can you please, anyone please tell me what are the different standard objects and custom objects which are described?
Standard objects
Standard
given by
objects are
Salesforce, so we cannot change
contact,
it.
account, leads.
Account, contact, lead, opportunity. These are all nothing but standard objects plus custom objects which are discussed in my admin concepts. Okay. Like hiring manager, custom objects are hiring manager, position, candidate. These are all etc. Okay, so these are all comes under non-primitive data types. Okay, primitive data types are nothing but integer, string, all these particular things comes under primitive data types. Yeah, let's see. I think we have the code. Just let me try to
What is
just
non-primitive?
non-primitive are nothing but S object, standard and custom objects. Okay,
Oh, okay.
let me try to create. And one more thing, the people who are joining the class, no need to write a single line of code. Each and everything which is presented in the drive. Okay, just I uploaded. Shrikant and the new persons, Prithvi. Okay, what are the codes which I'm writing? Each and everything, no need to write it. Everything I presented here. Everyone able to see? No need to write each and everything, each and every pinpoint I presented. Everyone able to see this? Just for your reference purpose, I'm saying. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just integer. Okay. Just I'm declaring integer. Okay. Let me try to discuss the syntax. Don't confuse. This is our starting classes. And later on, you can able to understand. Okay. Data type. Okay. Variable name means I'm storing the value. Okay. I'm storing the value, whatever it may be. I'm receiving. Maybe I'm receiving from the back, from the backend admin. Let's see in future. Here I'm initializing the value. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, data type, variable name, and value. Okay, this is the syntax. And for example, if it's a string, okay, variable name, it's your wish. You can mention anything. And decimal. Decimal represents currency. And we have ID. Okay, we have ID. Like we have account records, contact records, opportunity records. Let me try to go to the account object. Okay, I'm navigating to the account object. I'm navigating to the Shiva Satish record. I think this view is not looks good. Yeah. Let me try to open the Arizona. Okay, just you can able to take the account ID. I'm copying the account ID. Copying it. I'm pasting here. Okay, and Boolean. Boolean is nothing but a checkbox. I'll tell you what is these things. Okay, Boolean is nothing but a checkbox. I will make you to differentiate easily. Okay, like we have a number. Okay, inside the backend in admin concept, we discussed the field data type as a number. Anyone remember? It is nothing but integer. Anyone remember the text area? These are all the data types. Okay, these are all
Text
things that
long.
comes under string. Text area long. These are all the things. Okay, like another thing is a currency. I hope so. Okay, so it comes under decimal and checkbox. Anyone remember the checkbox? Checkbox data type.
Yes.
Okay, this comes under Boolean. Okay, inside the backend admin development.
Decimals comes under percentages also.
Hmm. Percentages are different. I hope so. Yeah. I think decimal comes under percentages also. Yeah. Because point. Okay, 3.14, 5.14. Okay, like this. Okay, to represent the point values. Yeah, decimal. Currency is nothing but 46,000 like this. Yeah. To describe 3.14. Just I'm giving you. Okay, point. For some details. Don't confuse here. Just in the upcoming classes, you'll get to know one by one, one by one. Yeah. And also, just a date. Just I'm making the date. Today's date. Date dot today. And also double. Sorry, decimal is a currency only. Okay, decimal is a currency only. Yeah. Like when we are representing 3.14, 5.14, we can use this. Double. Double will not use mostly. Decimal is currency only. Yeah. To represent the decimal, it's a currency only. Double. It represents the point values. Yeah, if you want to get the date time, okay, even including date as well as a time. If you want to get including date as well as a time.
So double is also decimal, no? There is a point,
No, no,
point,
no.
point.
Double is not decimal. Decimal is a currency. Okay, double is to represent the point values. Okay,
Oh, okay.
okay, to represent including time also. Okay, we'll use date time, including time also. Prithvi, what's the statement we'll use to print the data?
System dot budget
Debug,
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 sorry.
debug. No
System
worries.
dot
Yeah, I think you are in the starting. Na? System.debug. And don't worry on the coding. Okay. Yesterday, I think yesterday recording you seen Prithvi, the first class.
I didn't start it, sir.
Okay, fine, fine, no worries. Just I use the chat GPT normally. How I taken one real time requirement. And don't worry, I think no need to again invest on yesterday class. I think you have relationships also in the admin concepts. Just I'm showing you.
Yeah.
For example, this is a chat GPT. I think everyone know. Okay. In upcoming classes, I'll show the real time requirement. Okay. We got one of the real time requirement. Presently, you are working in one of the project Prithvi. Yeah.
Yes.
Just imagine you learned all the concepts and you practiced all the concepts. Okay, you know all the concepts. Okay, but you face it somewhat because you new to the things. You got the same requirement only. Okay, in the development. Uh, just you pasted this. Yeah, are you able to see the code? Based on the requirement, you can modify it accordingly.
Okay.
Okay.
Just need to change the objects names.
Field names,
Field
objects
names.
as per the requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
And for example, if the team leader is not, they want some more logic means you can add it accordingly, like null pointer exceptions, like whatever it may be. Okay. For example, if they ask anything, just if you type, I need null pointer exception, definitely ChatGPT will give you to handle the null pointer exception or whatever it may be.
Okay.
Yeah. No need to invest your time again. That's why I shown you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Okay. Just I mentioned the shipment date. Yeah, I want to introduce Prithvi. Yeah, Prithvi. I think here anyone from USA? Anyone from US? Anyone is joining from US?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. Okay, Manadip. Thank you. So Prithvi is also from USA. He is studying second year. I hope so. Prithvi, you're from.
And I'm done my masters.
Oh, you
I'm in
completed your
OPT.
master.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So just Prithvi has been recently called me that he's interested to join the course. Like one of my previous students referral. He's facing he joined lately, but he need to complete at least in 2 months. Okay, again to start the course means it may take some 1 to 2 months again. That's why he started the development and simultaneously he's learning admin objects and relationships. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yes.
Yeah, and Mandeep,
Yes, yes, Venkat.
like, is there any referral from your end possibility? I think referral is if you have a referral in USA, like it should be means the person needs to have knowledge also. Yeah, some help Prithvi also. Okay, even I'll add to the groups also. In future, I'll share the contact. Okay, if any
Yes, sir.
referral.
Sure.
Yeah. And for you also, if any things I got, okay, just from our previous contacts, okay, definitely we'll send you the HR numbers also.
Sure.
Yeah, because sharing is important in this IT industry. Not only IT industry, every industry. Then only the people will become successful. Okay, let me try to start it. Okay, system.debug. Just I'm mentioning the company revenue. Company revenue. Just I'm mentioning this text salary SAL. In the current time. Okay, just I'm mentioning the current DT. Srikanth, please stay in the call at the end. Srikanth, need to speak
Yeah.
with you. Okay,
Yes.
fine,
Yes.
fine. Okay, Srikanth, thank you for sharing. Yeah, let just I'm discussing all this. Let me try to print it. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window, apex class dot method name. Okay, the same thing. Apex class. If you want to click on open log, then only the logs will be generated. Okay, means the debug statements will be printed. Click on execute. Click on debug only. Yes, everyone able to see the output? Swati, this particular information, whatever I given, each and every information is been printing. Everyone able to observe this?
Yeah, information printed on the screen, and where can we see the logs?
Yeah, logs will be free under the debug. Just if you click on debug, click on open execute anonymous window, enable this checkbox when you're printing. Click on execute it.
Okay.
Automatically it will be open in one of the window. Okay, enable this checkbox, debug only. You can able to see the output.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, practice it everyone after completion of the class. Then it will become easy. By seeing all this, don't feel fear. That's why I introduced ChatGPT at starting only. Because some people will feel fear on the coding. Don't feel fear. Everything will be easy. Just you need to learn the concept from our classes. That's it. Yeah, just I created. Anyone have any queries on this? The
Yeah,
same process. Yes, yes, please.
the shipment date plus shipment date. I mean, is that a syntax, or do we need to follow that,
Yeah.
or to print
No,
that
no,
one?
no. Shipment date is a variable name. Even we can mention your name also or any name, my name also. Okay, like a shipment date is a variable name. Okay, it's like anything. Okay, this is exact thing will follow data type, and this
That's
is the
it.
value. Yeah,
Got
today's
it.
date, whatever it may be. To represent today's date, I'll use today. Date dot today.
Okay.
Shipment date is your name also. We can follow my name. Okay, let me try to mention Venkat.
A date is also a variable. I mean, data, like
Date is like a
integer,
data type.
string,
Data
and
type.
decimal.
Data type.
Okay,
This is the syntax.
that's also one of the data type.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Just I'm using Venkat.
It comes under predefined data type or primitive data types.
It's a primitive data types.
Primitive data types.
Yes. Okay, just it is printing the same data. But here I'm mentioning as like a Venkat. Okay, let us. Anyone have any queries? I'm asking once again. Let's go slowly, don't worry. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Okay, fine. Let me try to create another class.
System dot debug for the
Mm.
above three integer string decimal. So he
Mm.
given just the variables, and
Mm.
and the other three boolean and double
Mm.
and date time.
Mm.
So you
Mm.
given value and variable.
No, no, no. It's not a variable. It's like a normal text. Okay. It's like a normal text just to represent.
Oh,
Okay. What is
okay,
a
it's
thing? What
print
is
out.
exact thing? That's it. It's a normal text. This is the
Okay.
syntax. Okay. Whenever if you want to represent any normal text, because for example, if I directly mentioned that text, sometimes you cannot able to understand whether it's a current date or whatever it may be. Okay. Just
Right.
in the quotations I mentioned normal text.
Yeah. That's
Okay. Plus that particular variable name.
Yeah, by seeing we don't understand what it is. If
Ah,
anything is in front of, we can understand what it is.
exactly. Yeah.
Um, Good. Thank you.
Let me try to create another Apex class. Click on new, same process every time. Click on file, click on new Apex class. In configuration, we are changing multiple times. Here, not like that. The process is same. My class one. Just I'm mentioning as like a class one. Inside this, let me try to mention public static void method one. Okay, so here, so just I want to follow the OOPS concepts objects, then only you can able to understand. But I want to discuss as object data types. Okay, let me try to mention. So we have an account object. There are two ways. There are two ways to insert the data. Okay, from your developer console to the backend object. Let's see the style one. Okay, it's your wish. You can follow the style one or style two. Let's follow the style one. Object name. Okay, this is the syntax which I need to discuss in OOPS concepts. Okay, but I'm discussing now. Why the reason is because I want to discuss this concept. New object name. Yeah, this is the syntax. Just I'm making it like a comments. For example, I'm dealing with account object. Account ACC is equal to new account. Okay, for example, there are different types of information is there. Okay, account dot account name. Okay, just I'm mentioning Vani. Account dot rating. These are all the fields which are available. Warm. Account dot active. This is a pick list value. Yes or no? Yes. Account dot industry. Agriculture. Account dot annual revenue. Okay, 12 lakhs. I think more than 12 lakhs. Yeah, just I'm mentioning the values from a backend. Okay, just I'm inserting the data. How I can insert? Insert, I'm inserting ACC. Immediately, this particular data is been inserted. And if you want to print after inserting, if you want to print the data, okay, we'll use system.debug of ACC. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Just this is my class one. You can mention that class name dot method name. Click on execute. Click on debug only. Yes. Everyone able to see the record? Name, rating, everyone able to see? Let us see whether this record is been inserted under the backend or not. Okay, just let me try to copy the ID. Okay, let us replace this particular ID with the ID whatever we received. Yes, everyone able to see the Vani record? Just I inserted the data from the developer console. The records will be like immediately inserted to the backend account object. But coming to other technologies, like we need to connect to the database, so many things. But here no need to do that particular process. Automatically it will be connected database to this particular admin. Sorry, admin to development, whatever it may, backend to database. This is the beauty of Salesforce. Anyone have any
Okay.
queries?
Yeah, what is the link we copied in here?
Just I copied the account ID. Okay.
Okay.
Just I pasted. Okay. After slash, you can able to see the account ID. Account ID is nothing but a record ID. Okay. Like just to verify whether that particular record is inserted or not.
Okay.
Just I replaced. Okay. With the account ID, whatever we got. It's a unique record ID to represent each individual record. Yeah, everyone able to understand? Any queries to anyone? Just let me try to explore some more. Any queries to anyone? Please respond.
No, Venkat.
Okay. Let's discuss some more. Just don't panic by seeing the syntax or whatever it may be. You practice. That's it. I'll there. I'm there. Just I'm giving you assistance. I'm there. Okay, to help you at last, whatever it may be on the development or integration LWC. Just we are going step by step basis. Yeah. Let me try to discuss the style two. Even either you can follow the style one or style two. But mostly the style one is a good approach because we can easily get the field names, whatever we need. But here in the coming to style two. Okay, just I'm doing with account only. Here we use the instance name. Okay, let me try to use the different instance name because it may take as like a duplicate in the same class we are representing. Okay, name, just we need to mention each and every details here only. Rating, yeah, we need to copy the information from the backend. It is a time consuming process. Let me try to go to the object manager. I'm navigating to the account object. See, you can you need to copy the field names. Which one is easy process? Style 1 or style 2? Which
Style
one is
1.
easy? Yeah, style 1 is easy process. So why the reason is because we'll get all the details.
Yeah, we don't need to copy from going to the
Uh,
developer and copying the field.
yeah, yes, even we'll follow the style 1 only. Just only for a reference purpose, I'm saying each and everything. Control S. Just I'm inserting. See, it is showing error. Whenever if there is any problems, okay, it will show under the problems. You can able to see. See, are you able to see the illegal assignment something it is showing? I think fax is a string, I hope so. Let me try to mention. See, fax is a string, but if it is not represented in a quotations, it represents as like an integer. Okay, that's why it is showing in the problems. Again, two accounts will be inserted because if you again perform debug, open, execute anonymous window, if you performed again means again these two methods will be executed. Click on execute it. Okay, just let me try to mention system.debug of ACC1. If you did not mention ACC1, the records will not be represented. Okay, let us see. Open execute anonymous window. Let us execute it. Okay, I'm copying the record IDs. See, just let us copy the Swati record ID. Let's see whether Swati record ID is presented under the backend or not. Let me try to go to, just I'm copying the record ID and I'm placing after slash account. Prithvi, are you able to understand the people Shrikant?
Yes, yes, I'm good.
Yeah, what about Shiva Satish, Shubham, Mandeep, Jay?
Yeah, I'm able to understand. Venkat.
Okay. And one more thing, like presently we are in the starting because I'm completely concentrating in the development. Later on, after 10 or 15 days, just I'll ask some interview questions on admin also. What have we completed? Is it okay to everyone? Like after just
Yes,
after
yes,
every
definitely.
day, yeah, every day after 45 minutes or 50 minutes, sometimes in between I'll ask you. Sometimes I'll ask Shubham, what are the different types of data security mechanisms are presented? Sometimes I'll ask Jay. Yeah. What are the different types of flows are available? Sometimes I'll ask Vamsi, what are the different types of relationships? Yeah. Learning everything is fine, but saying in front of interviewer is also uh, the main point. Sometimes I'll ask Mallikarjuna, what are the different types of reports? Mallikarjuna, what are the different types of reports available in Salesforce?
No, Venkat, I didn't remember.
Yes, you need to study. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone can convey what are the different types of reports are available in the Salesforce?
Standard and custom.
Yes, standard and custom. Yes, that's it.
We have tabular,
Tabular.
Join
matrix.
join matrix.
Exactly. Tabular report, matrix report, joint report, summary report.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are the different types of relationships available, Vamsi? Don't fear, just normally. Because of your sake only I'm asking. That's it. Nothing. If you don't know, you can say, I don't know. But at least try to be
Mm.
with your answer by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, bro.
Vamsi, what are the different types of relationships?
I didn't remember. I'll study tomorrow and
One to one, one
Okay.
to many.
Okay. Yes, one to one, one to many.
Lookup
Lookup
relationship,
relation,
master
marketing.
Hmm?
detail relationship.
Yes, you're saying something. Please continue.
Lookup relationship and master detail relationship. One to one and one to many relationship.
Yeah, one to many comes under lookup and master detail. Okay. And many to
Yes.
many. Yeah, good, good. Lookup and master detail. Good. Yeah, at least the people say tomorrow. Okay.
So how many times we can say Venkat here? One to one, one to many comes under
Not
lookup
one to
relationship.
one. Yeah, lookup relationship, master detail relationship, many to many relationship, hierarchical relationship. Okay. And one to one. Yeah, this is the thing. Five I hope so. Hierarchical, lookup,
One to
master
one
detail.
and one to many comes under lookup relationship.
Yeah, one to many comes under lookup and master detail only. One to many, okay. One account can have multiple contacts. One
Yeah,
hiring
that's
manager can have multiple
okay.
positions. Okay, this comes under lookup and master detail only. Okay,
Yeah. So here account
five
and contact
relationships.
have master detail relationship and same time it has lookup relationship also.
It's a special lookup act as like a master detail relationship. Accountant contact, accountant opportunity, accountant case.
So real time can we create the object like that?
Accountant contact no need to create by default. Salesforce will provide it. You can use
How?
that particular objects.
No, I'm asking. I know my account and contact is there already. It's a lookup relationships accept the master detail relationship. But can we create like that? Do we create or we can't create like that?
Yes, we can create it. If we need, we can create it. But no need to. Why we need to invest again time on that? We have the all the things now. Yes, if we need means it's a custom object. Matex a custom object. Yes, we can create a master detail relationship in between the account to contact. Okay, but why we need to invest the time? Because the things are presented. What are the things are not presented? We can create. We can invest the time. Yeah, we can
Okay.
customize it. Okay, if we need any customization, we can customize it. That's it. Instead of creating
Okay.
everything again, we can customize it as per the requirement, whatever the
Yes.
things which are presented.
Okay. And can I ask one question? Because actually
Exactly.
I don't know. Uh, when a user is there, we want to restrict that user access in a record level. So, for example, he has the access to account object. He can see all the accounts, all the account records. But
Mm.
just for a question, it's not real. Just asking. I saw somewhere in the YouTube. And if you want to restrict that user who are having annual salary more than 1 lakh, if
Mm.
that account record he is not able to see, so how
Mm.
can we do that? How
Restrict.
can we
Yes,
control
we
that?
can. Yes, we can write the logic. Okay. For example, if account dot annual revenue, okay, just we can mention apex sharing, like we can restrict it. Okay. Yes, we can make it like that also, as per the security wise.
Yeah, security wise. So how can we control that access for that particular record for the user? So can
Can you
we
please?
go to that record and can we able to stop the access for that record?
Your requirements are not clear, Swati. You are saying that, for example, if accounts annual revenue is greater than something, means we need to be hide some fields. You are saying that's it.
Hide some fields, hide some records.
Hide some records. Why you need to hide? For example, if accounts annual, I did not got it. Your requirements are not clear, Swati. As per the business requirements, it's not clear, Swati. If annual revenue is greater than some records, means why we need to hide the records? It's not clear, Swati. The requirements.
So I'm also not clear, but it's there in
Yeah,
the
if the requirements are clear, I can able to. Yeah, yeah,
interview questions,
yeah.
but they did not mention anything. Such they
No.
said record level security. So in some object, how can we restrict the user to should not access some records of that
Then
particular
fine.
object?
Okay. Yeah, if we want to restrict, then we
Hmm.
can go to the OWD. In that OWD, we can mention it's a private and we can disable that particular checkbox, grant roles using hierarchies checkbox. Then they can not able to see all the records. It will be restricted. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, but the previous requirements are not clear. Now the requirements are clear.
So how can we do? Sorry, I did
We can
not
go
understand.
we can go to the OWD. In the sharing settings, we have organization wide default. In that
Yeah.
particular organization wide default, we can mention it to private. And we need to disable the
So,
checkbox grant roles using hierarchies. Then they cannot able to see other people records.
so they cannot able to see other people record. So I'm not saying you should not see the other people record. I'm saying about only some particular records you should not see. If we put on private, so that person cannot see anything. So we are stopping the access to for that particular user.
Okay, which user based on the things, Swati, like which user you want to hide the records. Okay, just you need to define the role hierarchies as per the business requirements, and you can go to that particular OWD of that particular role. Then you can mention it's a private or whatever it may be. Okay, like that we can achieve that requirement, whatever you told. Yeah,
Really, I am also not understand what he is saying, but just asking the question because how can we
yeah,
restrict only
yeah.
some
Make your
records?
requirement. 1 minute. Listen me. Make your requirement clear. I'll try to clarify you. Okay. As per the
Oh,
requirement, whatever I understood still now, just we can achieve it by using OWD.
OWD. Okay.
Okay, let me try to complete it this thing. Okay, just this is the thing, and let us use the custom objects also. We deal with some hiring manager. Okay, for Arizona application, let us go with the hiring manager. I'm copying the hiring manager. Okay, just I'm mentioning. Okay, just I'm mentioning the hiring manager. HR dot HR name. Yeah, HR dot HR. Just I'm mentioning the HR name as like a Vivek. Okay, HR email. Vivek at the rate of gmail.com and HR phone. Just I'm mentioning some phone number. HR dot designation. Just you can take the pick list value which is presented and set the backend. Not unnecessary value. If you take an unnecessary value means it will not allow. Whatever the value, it will erase some exception. Just I'm mentioning taking the developer, whatever things which are presented, the pick list value. Okay, HR dot. Any other things are required values are there? Just I'm mentioning the experience of HR. Control S. I'm saving this data. Insert HR. System.debug of HR. plus HR. And I'm saying again, in the same class, we can make allow multiple methods. Okay, if you want this hiring manager in another method. Okay, public static void method. In the same class, we can make allow multiple methods. Okay, just I'm copying this data. I'm pasting here. In the same class, multiple methods are been allowed. Okay. Okay, now my class 1 dot. Just I'm calling the method 2. Okay, just you can copy the method 2. Yes. Click on execute it. Immediately this hiring manager, Vivek hiring manager record will be inserted. Click on debug only. Just I'm copying this hiring manager record, Vivek record. Okay, I'm going to hiring manager object. Let me try to place this account ID with the record ID whatever I received. Yes. Everyone able to see the Vivek record? Everyone able to see the Vivek record?
Yes, Sanket.
Yeah. This is the thing. Just I deal with a custom object. Okay. I deal with a custom object. Yeah, this is the thing. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Just whatever I discussed. Is it clear? Anyone have any queries? Okay, fine. Okay, let us just we can use the same style. Okay, like we can use the style to all. It's your wish. Okay, just for your understanding purpose, I'm using. Okay, just you can mention whatever the fields. Okay, you can mention directly here. Now let me try to mention Prudvi. Let me try to mention HR email. Prudvi@gmail.com. Let me try to mention HR phone and designation. Yeah, insert HR1. Okay, let us mention unnecessary skill here. Okay, just pick list value. Let me try to mention different skill. Let's see what will be happen. Okay, CBIL is not presented inside the designation, but like let me try to mention the CBIL. Let's see. CBIL is one of the technology. Now it is not there. Okay, let me try to mention the CBIL only. Let's see what will be going to be happen. Control S. Semicolon is missing. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Method 2. Let me try to click on method 2. Let's see. Yeah. Why I'm getting this error? Any reason? Invalid or restricted pick list? Any reason?
Whichever you are entering, it's not there in the list. Pick list.
Cyber
Exactly.
checklist.
Yeah, whatever it is presented, just it is not there into the pick list. Okay. Whatever you mentioned, okay, it is not presented inside the pick list. That's the reason. Yeah.
We can add the pick list in here, right?
You cannot add the pick list value. Just you can add the value, but you cannot add the pick list field, whatever it may be, it is presented.
I mean, we
Just you can
cannot add
mention.
the field through the coding.
No, 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 no. Just from the backend, you can add all these things. Based on that, you can add the value. You can insert the record. That's it. Okay. You cannot able to add like these values.
Okay, we cannot add the checklist values through code.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Just let me try to mention what are presented. Manual tester. How this process I'll tell you. Okay. For example, just imagine when you go to the bank, how the structure when you go to the bank. For example, if the agent wants to fill the data, they don't need any development, all these things. Okay, just they will get some UI screens. Okay, like this only not the UI screens, just we have some information as per the requirement. Okay, then immediately this particular development, whatever the backend apex programming it will take, and this is an admin will whatever the information LWC component development will take that particular information into the apex class. Okay, as like a parameters, immediately this particular information will be linked to the backend admin to that particular object records. Immediately the data will be inserted. This is the structure. Okay, this is the structure. But I did not discuss it that receiving the parameters. I'll discuss everything in the upcoming classes. Yeah. Let's see now Prithvi record will be inserted. Let's take. Let me try to copy this hiring manager record. Yes. Everyone able to see the Vivek record has been inserted successfully? I think we checked for Vivek record. We need to check for Prithvi record. Sorry.
Uh, method name is different.
Let me try to mention exact thing. Execute it. Now let me try to execute it. If you did not enable the open logs, the logs will not be opened directly. Why Vivek record is only inserting? Yeah, why the reason means I did not mention the debug statement here. If you mention the debug statement, then only the information will be placed under the debug logs. Let me try to go to the debug, open execute anonymous window dot method. Okay, see, Prithvi record I can able to see. If you copy this Prithvi record ID, just let me try to. Just I'm going to the developer console. I'm placing here. Yes, everyone able to see the Prithvi record. Prithvi record I can able to insert it onto the backend object.
Venkat, we ran the code for two or three times. Is it duplicate or updating the same one?
No, no, it will not update the same. It will be a duplicate only. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we did not created any duplicate rules in the hiring manager. For example, if
Mm,
the same email and phone number matches, it will raise a duplicate. If we created a duplicate rules means it will not allow. Okay.
yeah.
I discussed in duplicate rules in admin concept sales cloud. Yeah. If we created some duplicate rule means it will not allow. But I did not created it because maybe chances will create it here for practice purpose.
You ran this code for 3 times, I think.
Yeah,
You
yes,
can
yes, exactly.
wait and Prithvi.
Yeah. Because in our individual org also for verification purpose, we'll test it. Okay,
Hmm.
like whatever it may be. Then we'll go move to higher environments. Like
Yeah,
higher environments, we are not insert the data anything. Okay.
yeah, I got your point, and it's just for testing. I just want to know whether it is duplicating or not.
Yeah, it will. If you create a duplicate rule means it will. Okay, but I did
Okay.
not created it. Yeah. Okay, team. Yeah, okay, team. Thank you. And one more thing I want to convey. What are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything I shared. And like one more thing I'm expecting everyone. Don't, if you have a time, means invest in your admin. Okay, just studying the practical interview questions or whatever it may be. Okay, just still now what I complete, I'll show you. Okay, what are the things which I complete? It's fine. No need to concentrate more than that. Okay, more than that I no need to concentrate it, because if you concentrate it more means, even because if you have a time means concentrate in admin. Okay, in future you don't have a time to concentrate in admin. Okay, practice still here, still a subject at a times. Yeah, I think I did not discuss it this. Let me try to discuss and close this. Yeah, what's the relationship in between the hiring manager to position? What is the relationship in between the hiring manager to position? Hmm?
Master detail relationship.
Exactly.
Position is the
Hiring
child.
lookup relationship, not master detail. Just I'm interlinking. Okay, I'm interlinking. Whatever the position dot hiring manager, every position have a hiring manager. I'm interlinking with the hiring manager ID, whatever I received. Just I'm interlinking. I'm inserting the position. Means I'm interlinking this hiring manager with this position, whatever we created. Yeah. Okay, now the hiring manager as well as a related position also inserted. Let me try to mention all. Don't worry, these things comes under objects and oops concepts. Yeah. Everyone able to see the related position? Because I interlinked this position with the hiring manager. Everyone able to observe this?
Yes, Venkat.
Hmm. Fine, practice it. Okay, just for your reference purpose, I told. This is about today's class team. Let's meet again tomorrow and let's discuss about further concepts. Okay, thank you. I'm stopping the recording.